This is just a quick and easy tutorial to teach you the basics of building a Pauper commander deck in the game Magic the Gathering. This is one of the most affordable and easiest ways to start playing the game by building a 100 card deck. Simple rules are your commander is an uncommon card and the 99 other cards are all commons. And I'm going to go through a few basics to help you build your first deck. The first thing to do is to sort through your creature cards to look for your commander, who can be an uncommon legendary creature. The first thing you should consider is the color and amount of mana it will cost to cast your commander creature. For example, Law Scale Kotal costs 1 blue mana, 1 green mana, and 1 mana of any color. These colors determine what color mana you're allowed in your deck and what creatures and spells you'll be casting in the game. After you have chosen your commander, you can sort out your cards according to the colors corresponding to your commander. In this case, you would sort out forest cards and island cards and cards that fit within that commander profile. Which also includes artifact cards, which use mana of any color to be cast in general. As a general rule of thumb, I like to put in 30 to 35 land cards in a Pauper commander deck, sometimes more, rarely less. So you want about a 1 in 3 chance of drawing a land card from your deck so that hopefully you're able to play 1 land card a turn. You can also think about putting in double lands and also artifact cards, which can serve as a pool of mana. In fact, some of these artifact cards are going to interact really nicely with my commander because they allow me to draw a card, which allows me to put a +1/+1 counter on my snake commander. Then we're going to get to the really fun step where you get to choose the creature cards, the sorceries, the instants, and the enchantments that you're going to put into your deck. As a general rule of thumb, especially if it's your first deck, you're going to think about maybe 32 creature cards in addition to your commander, and around about 33 sorcery, instants, and enchantments. And that might be 11 sorceries, 11 instants, and 11 enchantments, but you might vary that number according to the artifacts that you put into the deck, or simply what you have available in your home collection of cards. Have fun making your first deck.